Good morning. It is Sunday, June 20th, 2010, and we are here at home on this beautiful Sunday morning. It's me, Gigi, Daddy. It is Father's Day, and it's the first Father's Day, and so we are about to do the Father's Day gift presentation. Gigi, you have a special message for Daddy?
Is your have a special message for me?
All right. Hold on. Okay. All right, Gigi. All right. Give that. No. Give it to Daddy. Give it to Daddy.
Give it to Daddy. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, and hold on. Gigi. Gigi. All right. Let Daddy open the card.
Thank you, Boo Boo. I love it.
All righty. That's the card. Now, this is, you have two gifts. You have one from Gigi and one from Mommy.
Okay. All right, Joe. Let's open your card. Let's open the gift. Oh. Equipment for your body. How nice, Boo Boo. It's a golf glove. Check it for some golf. Goofy.
All right. And this
Thank you.
is from Mommy.
For mommy. For mommy. You drooling. Wow. It's your a Nike Golf. Wow. A driver. Wow. See that, Boo Boo? It's a driver. A driver. It's a driver. Sweet. Thanks, sweetie. I appreciate it. It's a driver. Look at it. Now, my bag is complete. Yeah.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, Boo Boo. Baby, baby. Baby. Come here. Give me a hug. See? Thank you. It's a driver, Boo Boo. A driver.
It's a driver. Hold it up. Hold up the glove. And the driver. Nike Golf.
Nike Golf. Okay.
Alright.
I hate to rule that one. Move this one.
Alright. Bringing the video to an end, alright? Say bye, Gigi.
Say bye.
Gigi. Bye. Alright, that's a wrap.